R was first introduced in 1992 on the NSX-R, where the engineers were tasked with making a track-ready model of the NSX without increasing the power, which led to a formula of weight reduction, improved suspension and aero, and tuning of the final drive ratio. This formula carried over to the future of Type R models. The Type R badge found its way onto the Integra and the Accord, but today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about wheel fitment for the Honda FK8 and FL5 Honda Civic Type R. My name is Rich, welcome to FitCheck. The Civic Type R was first introduced in 1997 and built on the EK Civic hatchback platform, which had a 1.6 B16B VTEC motor at 183 horsepower, which was a 52% power increase over the base Civic at the time. The Civic Type R was available exclusively in international markets, not for the USA, until the 5th generation Civic Type R, the FK8, debuted in North America in 2017 on the 10th gen Civic platform. In 2023, Honda released a successor to the FK8 Civic Type R, the FL5, which was made on the 11th gen Honda Civic platform. If you have an 11th gen Civic, not a Type R, go check out our previous video that we did on FitCheck of the 11th gen Civic. As we mentioned last time, we're going to lump in the FK8 Civic Type R and the FL5, and that's because these cars both share the same bolt pattern of 5x120 as opposed to the 10th gen and 11th gen Civic at 5x114.3. They both have a 64.1 millimeter hub, and they share virtually compatible fitment options. One thing to note for both the FK8 and the FL5, basically any Civic Type R in the States comes standard with Brembo brakes, and brake clearance is certainly something that you should be aware of when looking for aftermarket wheels. The OE wheel spec comes in at 20 by 8.5 at an ET60 with a 245/30/20 tire. Owners were not happy about the OE wheel specs of the FK8 due to the lack of tire options and harsh ride. Also, it just looked plain bad. With the debut of the FL5, Honda listened to their audience and adjusted the new Civic Type R OE wheel specs to 19 by 9.5 ET60 with a 265/30/19 tire, and it looked way better. If you guys have seen a previous video of FitCheck, you might know that we break down our fitment options into 3 categories. No hassle, and it's going to be a category if you want to keep your OE tire size and you just want to switch your wheels, this will be a no hassle fitment. Slight flex, that would be if you're looking to change both your wheels and your tires while getting a little bit more of an aggressive look or stance. And then we're going to have our all the wheel category, which will be quite literally all the wheel that your car can take in its wheel well without any kind of modifications or rubbing issues. Keep in mind for our no hassle fitment, we are going to be looking to only change the wheel size, not our tire size. And we're going to be looking for a width of 8.5 to a 9-inch wheel with an offset of 44 to 60. We would say a sweet spot for fitment for the FK8 for no hassle would be a 9-inch wheel at a 45 offset, and then for the FL5, it can take a little bit of a wider wheel at a 9.5-inch wheel at a 45 offset as well. All right, moving into our slight flex category, we are going to be looking at changing both your wheels and your tires. This category might be great for people who daily drive their cars or are just looking to go a little bit more aggressive without going overboard. The range that we're going to be looking at for the slight flex is going to be a 9.5-inch wheel at a 40 to 45 offset. The slightly wider wheel and slightly lower offset is really going to help fill out the wheel well and give you that more flush fitment. If we're going to suggest one size for this category, we're going to say a 9.5 wheel at a 40 offset. And this still allows for a decent sized tire and fills out the wheel wells nicely. So we have made it to the all the wheel category. This is going to be all the wheel that the Civic Type R can handle without any kind of rolling fenders or body modifications. We're going to be looking at a size of a 9.5 wheel at a 35 offset. And that's about it. That's all the wheel the Civic takes. You might be able to fit a 10-inch wide wheel at about a 40 offset, but you may experience some rubbing depending on the tire size that you decide to run. One thing to consider for this category is tire sizing. Don't over-tire your car, and especially if you're looking to lower your vehicle, be conscious on what tire size you end up using. You might be watching this video and think, hey, from no hassle to all the wheel was not a very big range of sizing for this car, and that's because the Civic Type R does not take a wide range of fitment options. So we suggest that you stay within these fitment ranges because again, the Civic Type R does not take a lot of wheel, and this might save you from a future headache. We know that people are going to run wheel sizes that fall outside of the range that we just talked about, but the point of this category is to acknowledge that anything wider than a 10-inch wheel or a 9.5 with a lower than 35 offset, you're going to be on your own. Again, you might see people running a 10.5-inch wide wheel, but those people probably have to do something like suspension modifications, certain tire sizings, or camber adjustments, rolling fenders. All the sizings that we previously talked about are so you don't have to do any of that. So just consider that all these fitment options that we suggested to you today are based on the idea that you will not need body modifications or suspension modifications to make these wheels fit. And we would like to stress one more time that if you are shopping for wheels for your Civic Type R, that you take in consideration brake clearance. And if you need help with that, you can reach out to your wheel and tire professional, or you can shoot us an email at fitment@koenigwheels.com. And before we get out of here, guys, we have a lot of useful videos on our YouTube channel. If you are trying to learn about wheel fitment or wheels in general, you can use these videos as a resource. We have a lot of informative videos on our channel for you to watch. If you guys have any other suggestions of cars that you would like to see on a future fit check video, please drop them in the comments below and let us know. Until then, we'll see you next time.